Did you know that I have a Redbubble shop? I sell some of my artwork that you'll see me create on lots of products available in my Redbubble shop. You'll have tote bags, floor cushions, postcards, magnets, stickers, clothing, and that's a sticker on a water bottle as an example. You can also buy water bottles from Redbubble as well. I've created name plates. You can see one's gone by there called Amelia, and there's one there called Sarah. And if your name is not available and you would like your name made available, let me know in the comments below and I'll get that sorted. ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. Support my channel even more by sharing it, watching my video in full, and go watch a playlist or two. Don't forget to comment. Welcome to Journal Friday. It's another episode. I'm getting some stickers out for this particular page setup. And this page setup is from Wednesday, September the 16th. And we had a family celebration that day. It was a birthday, not my own of course, but I like to document it as a memento. See those awful stickers at the bottom of my page? There's a video coming called Sticker Failure, and you totally need to stick around for that video. Lots of fun and games, experiments, failures and successes happen in my little studio. This was a fun part for me. I finger painted with my fluorescent pink Arteza gouache. And that is a little image I printed and have glued it in. Thanks guys, catch you next time. Click the 2 videos on screen now. And when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.